actually not too bad. Of this old oak flooring that I want to try bending with steam. The problem with that is ideally lumber is going to bend the best when it's grain. This is obviously not grain. This came out of a house that was built in the 1800s. But I think if I introduce enough moisture into it, I'll be able to get enough of a curve to do what I want to do with it. So in order to steam wood, you need to be over 200 degrees. Optimally, you should be around 212. The problem with steam bending is you need quite a bit of equipment to even get one bend, and that bend is not necessarily universal for all of your projects. So I made a very quick form so I didn't waste time on it, and I made a very quick bending strap to go around it just to see if I could bend this older oak. Now the purpose of the strap is to keep compression on the outside of that curve, because at the outside of that curve, as you compress the inside, it's going to want to stretch. This might work. This is actually not too bad. It's almost a 90. Really close.